Yes, you're welcome again to my YouTube channel. Remember, you're still learning with Mr. K. Now, like I promised you the last time, that the next time I'm going to be posting a video where we'll be looking at data entry. But this particular one is going to be the one that will actually check the age. The last one we did actually checked, checked actually the name of the person who is filling the form. But then remember, it was an automated system. When you fill in your name, the system gives you an automatic feedback. Okay, so this time around we'll be looking at a system where you have a certain age limit and that will be allowed access where certain age limits won't be allowed access. For instance, if you're 6, 7, 8, and 9 years, you're allowed access. But if you're 5 below and 10 and above, you are not allowed access. So we're going to create a program like that running here on Scratch. Now, you just need to pay attention and make sure you have your system with you. And also remember to click on the notification icon to be the first to get these videos when it's been posted, and at the same time you have to subscribe. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to get our trigger, which is the green flag. Okay, now anytime you want to ask a question, you must head to sensing and get the ask block. And this time we are asking, how old are you? So how old are you? How old are you? Now, after this, we'll be creating a variable, and this time we'll be creating a variable called what? Age. Okay, you create an age variable. You just click make variable and you type age here to create the age variable. Okay, and when that is done, we are bringing this block that says set age to answer. Okay, it's setting age to answer. Okay, set age to answer. The answer will mean is when this asks you how old you are, whatever thing you type there is what the block here is picking up. Okay, to further run the program. Then after that, we are going to control to get the if then else block. If then else block, which is this. Now we are going to create an if statement, a kind of logical statement that will check when the age is within what we want. Okay, so in that case we are going to bring in from operators, we bring in the and block and drop it at the middle here. Then remember we said when the numbers we're actually looking at are 6, 7, 8, and 9. So then we bring in the greater than sign, drop it here, and change this place to what? To 5 when age is greater than 5. Then we bring in another one, okay, and put 10 here when age is less than 10. Then we go over to variables, we pick age and drop it here, pick age again and drop it here. Now we interpret this as if age is greater than what? 5, and if age is less than what? 10. What happens? This is what will happen. If age is greater than 5, age less than 10, what will happen? Say this. Okay, this is what we want to see. So you say, you can go in, that is, you have access, you can go in. Now, but if your age didn't fall within this range, what happens? You're not going in. Okay, so I'm going back again to say this and bring this. So if your age is not falling within the limit, what happens? The system will tell you you can't go in. Okay, you can't go in. All right, so we have done this and we're going to try this program and see how it runs. Now remember, our trigger here is when the green flag is clicked. So I'm going to click on the green flag once, and it says how old are you, and I'm going to put 3 and hit the enter key you can't go in because 3 is not within the limit. Our limit, because greater than 5, numbers that are greater than 5 are 6, 7, 8, 9. But then there is also another statement here saying, well, these numbers must be greater than 5, and at the same time these numbers must be less than 10. Okay, so 3 is less than 5, not greater than 5, so it will go in. So if I run it again and put 5 and hit the enter, you can't go in because we are looking at numbers that are greater than 5. So if I put 6 here and hit the enter key, boom, you can go in because 6 is within the limit. But what happens if I put 10? I put 10 and hit the enter key, you can't go in because 10 is not part of the number. 10 is not within the limit, or within the range rather. So numbers are within the range greater than 5, 6. Greater than 5 numbers are 6, 7, 8, and 9, and these are only numbers that can have access. Other numbers, access will be denied. Okay, I hope you enjoyed your time learning this. All you have to do is to make sure you click on notification button and at the same time subscribe to my channel. And I tell you, then the next thing we're going to have is going to be so interesting, and make sure you stay behind and watch this whole full video. Thank you for having time to learn with Mr. K. See you next time.